Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 10th annual Europa Property Investment and Manufacturing Awards. This year, as you can see, we're live and online, transmitting to the world.
Moving on, the next category is Tax and Financial Advisor of the Year.
And here is the shortlist. ASB Group, MDDP, Pentaris, and TPA Poland. 4 nominees.
See, I was faster on that one. You notice that? Okay, and so moving on to the winner of this category of Tax and Financial Advisor, and of course, very exciting tax.
Yeah.
Yep. TPA.
Hey.
TPA, bravo.
Yeah, bravo. And okay, so great TPA, congratulations. Great.
Christoph Kachmer.
Yeah, I know, we're just moving so fast. Christoph, congratulations.
Thanks. I have some technical problems, so I need to be quite agile jumping between YouTube and Zoom, but finally it works. Guys, first of all, congrats for pulling it through. It must be quite difficult to do it in such a difficult times. Yeah, thank you for the award. I'm really great that our work is appreciated, and thank to all our clients who, despite the situation, are still out there doing business and closing transactions. But also a very big thank you to our staff, to our partners. I will not name all of them because it would take too long. So
we have time. You can name them all. No problem.
We don't have that much time.
Okay, all right. Anyway, well, congratulations. Say hello to the team for me. I saw a couple of them a couple months ago at another event, and, you know, of course, now we're not seeing too many of them around. I mean, anybody around. So, you know, tell them all congratulations, and we're really happy for you guys.
Thank you, I will. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you very much.
great. Thanks for
Bravo,
jumping in there before I would moved you on almost too fast.